Hi everyone, this is ZPJ, Zoltan Poljambor. I'm now speaking into the SHURE SM32, and this time I'm speaking into the front of it as opposed to the back of it. In my previous video that I had uploaded in this series, I spoke into the back of it. I was a tad surprised about the self noise. It was a bit too high to the standards that I had remembered in terms of this mic, because this mic has a low self noise, and it does pick up things wonderfully. It picks up the ambience, but the highs, it's not very sibilant, and the very high pitches aren't coming through disturbingly. They're coming through naturally. The mids are punchy, the lows aren't wishy-washy and muddied. They're quite accurate. If I were to hear my voice in terms of what other people hear right now going through into my headphones, I guess this is what it would sound like. I don't really hear a lot of coloration here. It's running straight into the Universal Apollo Twin, which is hooked up to the MacBook Air, recorded into Logic Pro. There's no coloration. There's no processing taking place whatsoever. There might be some volume adjustment, but no coloration will take place. No de-esser, none of that technical stuff will go on. I want you to hear clearly. I want you to hear what this mic has to offer in terms of its true qualities, speaking into the front of it this time. Compared to all the other ones, hooked up to the same audio chain, recorded the exact same way, and that way you can make a fair comparison between this mic and the other mics in this series, and that's a good thing, because there are various videos of various mics, but they don't use the same setup. I'm not so focused on the distance of where I'm from in terms of my distance from the mic, but it is a spoken word. It is recorded into the same sound chain. It is my voice, so it's a good basis for comparing these various mics across the board. Just look below and see the mics that are being recorded in this series. Yeah, I'm trying to be as objective as possible, although everyone has their own ears, and of course my voice is my voice, and it is subjectively coming, my voice, to the mic, but it is being recorded objectively. But because I'm the person speaking into all the mics, that removes a bit of the subjectivity and makes it more objective. In terms of what you think, in terms of what your ear hears, well, it's different, but again, it's going to be your ears listening to all the other videos in this series recorded on the same audio chain setup, so it should be a fair enough comparison. Well, tell me what you think. Drop a line. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would go a long ways in helping me provide more of this kind of content. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. ZPJ, over and out.